Hello guys, so some days ago I talked about an upcoming IC. I so much believe on this IC, DIGITEX. Okay, I see some persons are still not into it and don't really know why. Just 6 days left to it to go into the market, okay, for you to start purchasing the ICO. Okay. But you can do that right now and get 1,000 free coins using the link below this video. Okay. Looking at what they are offering, this is the future of cryptocurrency trading. Um, the founder here is someone that is really trusted. He has a thriving business for the past 14 years. BitTrader, if you can search down online and see what BitTrader does. Okay, you can see his team right here. These are people who have worked on something that has been successful over the last 14 years. That's really a long time. Okay, this is an ICU you really don't want to pass over. Okay, you should get into this even if you are just investing $10. Okay, get into this. Remember, this is no financial advice. All right, make sure you do your research as well. Okay, this is basically from what I have seen so far, and you can go through their white paper, and read through it. Okay, you can read through their white paper. You can read through their white paper. Okay, go through it. Can even they have links to their LinkedIn profile, so you can check them out. Okay, do a little bit of your research. Okay, now I want you guys to see actually what Digitex does, the futures. I want you to see it in action. Just take a look at this, guys.
Hi, my name is Adam Todd and welcome to the DIGITEX Futures Exchange. Here I'm going to start you off on the Bitcoin futures page. This price right here is the current price of Bitcoin against the US dollar according to this here, the global Bitcoin price index on bitcoinaverage.com. What they do is they calculate price of Bitcoin using the top 50 Bitcoin exchanges around the world, and we feed that index into the DIGITEX futures exchange, and then we run this futures contract on that index. So this futures contract is a way for you to trade this index. You can see we got nice big $5 price increments, or ticks as they're called in futures trading, which is incidentally the same tick size that the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is going to use. I'm not suggesting they copied us or anything, just saying that. It's a pretty normal day on Bitcoin. You can see we've got a $1,400 range in the last hour, so pretty normal there. There's no commissions on the DIGITEX Futures Exchange at all, none. And the way we do that is we have our own native currency of the futures exchange called the DIGITEX token. And the DIGITEX token is what your account balance is denominated in up here. All the tick values of the futures contracts are denominated in DIGITEX tokens, so therefore your profits and losses are going to be in DIGITEX tokens, your margins are payable in it. And the reason we do that is because that means that traders need to own DIGITEX tokens to trade on our commission-free markets, and that's going to create demand for those DIGITEX tokens, which means that the exchange can then mint a small number of new tokens each year and sell those to traders as a means of creating revenue to cover the costs of running the exchange. And that is how we can operate with zero transaction fees, zero commissions on all trades forever. And as we get busier and busier and busier, the model actually gets better and better and better. We don't start to creak under the strain and say, oh, we've got too many people, we've got to charge commissions now. No, as it gets busier, there's more demand for DIGITEX tokens, so the price of them will go up more, and we can easily create a small number of new tokens each year to cover the costs of running the exchange. So that in a nutshell is how the exchange is commission free, no transaction fees on any trades, and it will always be that way. So to place a trade, simply select the number of futures contracts that you want to buy or sell. If you want to buy, you click to the left side of the price that you want to buy at. So here you can see I'll try and buy 100 futures contracts at 14,350, and to place a sell order, you click to the right side of the price that you want to sell at. Here you can see I'm trying to sell at 14,360. Up here you can see your position. So you can see I got matched on the buy, I've got most of the sell but not quite, so I've still got 35 lots that I'm long. So here I've got positive 35, that just got matched, so my position is now 0. Here's my profit, so I'm up 200 DIGITEX tokens, and if the DIGITEX token was valued at 10 cents per token, which it might be when the futures exchange launches, then that would be the equivalent dollar profit of $20. We've also got the price of, we've got a futures market on the Ethereum market. Again, this Ethereum price is coming from bitcoinaverage.com. They calculate that, and then we run this futures contract on that price. So again, we've got a nice $1 tick size for the Ethereum futures market, which keeps it nice and sane. And Litecoin, look at that, $140 for Litecoin. Good Lord. Here we've got a nice 25-cent tick size for Litecoin. So that keeps that nice and sane. And these large tick sizes, go back to Bitcoin, we can see the $5 tick size. Let's just expand that. This nice $5 tick size, at these high prices, there's just no point in going up and down in 1 cent, 5 cent increments. Even $1 increments is too small. So nice $5 tick size. What it helps us do is it reduces the number of price points on a page, so we can put this volatile market, you know, Bitcoin is crazy volatile right now, but even though it's volatile, we can still display it on this one-click ladder trading interface. So you can still run around placing trades, canceling them, all just one-click trading with, you know, on what is a very volatile futures market, but you can do it all on one page without the price constantly flying off the top of the page and flying off the bottom of the page because it's so volatile. So that's what these large tick sizes allow us to do. They allow us to use this one-click ladder trading interface, and oh, look at that, very nice. The graphs, pretty self-explanatory, shows the last 15 5-minute bar charts. We can run over to here's your balance at the top there. We can run over to the account page just to have a quick look at how that would look. We've got the Bitcoin futures, Ethereum futures, Litecoin futures, shows what your current positions are, as well as all your match trades on that. And that's it. Nice, quick, simple introduction to the DIGITEX Futures Exchange. We've got the Bitcoin futures markets, Ethereum futures market, and the Litecoin futures market.
So that's it, guys. I hope you got it all, and you know how to go about this. This is something you should really invest in. This is CoinMarketCap. The place is actually going to red with some few grains. So guys, DIGITEX is the future. I hope you guys take this opportunity and get something great out of it, but make sure to do your own research. Alright, so don't forget to use my link below this video and get 1,000 free coins or tokens of DIGITEX. Bye.